Hi everyone, this is Noor Ahmed. Today I'm going to present my AI agent, which is ArcPay. ArcPay is an intelligent financial infrastructure built for the Agentic Commerce on Arc Hackathon. Today, AI agents are financial orphans. They can think and plan, but they struggle to move value autonomously because of complex cash management and unreadable blockchain data. ArcPay solves this by providing AI agents with native programmable wallets and human-readable transparency. ArcPay architecture. Our architecture is based on three pillars. The first, Circle's developer control wallets for secure server-side asset management. Second, the Arc network, which uses USDC as a native gas token, emulating the two token friction for our agent. And the third, Google Gemini 1.5 Flash model, which act as our transaction auditor, translating raw hex data into clear human readable insights. Let's move for the live demo. I have deployed this on Vercel. So this is the simple UI. Uh, First, the application programmatically provisions a treasury and a user wallet pair through the Circle SDK. This happens instantly, creating a secure sandbox where our AI agent can manage liquid USDC without manual human intervention for every gas fee. Okay, let's initialize project wallet. Okay, so this is the treasury address and the user address. Uh, it is ensuring it is sending the zero point 0.1 USDC for the testing purpose. So let's send. You can see that I have triggered zero point 0.1 USDC because we are on Arc network. The transaction is finalized in sub-seconds using native USDC for gas. Once initialized, the app sends the transaction hash to Gemini, which we can ask using expand with AI features. Okay, so this is our circle ID. Let's see what the Gemini think about it. Okay, so Gemini is explaining that your successfully sent zero point 0.1 USDC over the Arc network with these transactions. Everything looks good. Okay, let's verify this on the Arc scan. You can see the hash is at appending with the URL, so we don't have to add manually. Okay, so we can see the transactions. It is a testing transaction. For some reason, it's taking time in visibility, so we can like see the testing transaction for now. You can see the transaction has been successful, which I tested. It's been 17 hours now. We can also see the user hash. Okay, so this is the wallet address, and you can see we have balance of zero point 0.1 USDC. Let's see the treasury address. You can see we don't have any cash available in the treasury account because we have transferred to the user. Okay, let's see the PDF feature now, which I have built using JS PDF. Library is a library which provide the basic invoice of these transactions. So we can see this. This is the transaction ID. This is the sender wallet address. This is receiver and the amount, and the EI summary. Let's move to the slides. We have seen the demo of this application. So let's discuss on the future goals. Looking ahead, we have planned for the smart guardrails, AI governed spending limits to ensure agent transact safely. ArcPay is just a dashboard. It's the financial nervous system for the future of autonomous commerce. Thank you.